Hi guys, my name is Harold.
My name is Harold's mom.
Today we will do.
What are we going to
Today
cook?
I'm a chef. We will make something for our
Dinner?
dinner to eat.
So what are we going to make? What is it?
We're gonna make some soy sauce chicken wings.
Okay. So we have already marinated the chicken wing
Yeah.
with wine, with Chinese wine, with salt.
And
And now we are going to put something inside the pot and try to cook.
Yeah. So the first we will mix it up. Okay. Oh, I got.
Put the soy sauce. What do you feel about this experience?
It's scary.
It's scary. It is your first time to really cook in the kitchen, right? Do you like eating chicken wings?
Yeah, scary.
Yes, can you say something to the audience?
Yeah, I don't like you, but this is my favorite food